Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are going to be looking at how to create 7 backend keywords and how to get our categories for our book using the BookBeam application. Alright, so this is the third part of the BookBeam video, and we are going to be considering 7 backend keywords and how to get categories. So if you are interested, make sure you stay to the end of this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. My name is Iznaka Sylvester, and on my channel I talk about Amazon KDP, YouTube, and how you can make money online. So make sure you subscribe and follow me, turn on the bell notification so when I drop more videos you get to see it. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video for today. Alright, so there are many ways to get your 7 backend keywords. Alright, I have a lot of videos on my channel about getting 7 backend keywords and getting categories for your book. So make sure you go through my channel and look for the video. Alright, you'll see lots of videos on how you can get 7 backend keywords, how you can get category using Publisher Rocket. Alright, so there are videos on my channel that can help you do that. So we're going to look at how to use BookBeam to achieve the same thing. How do we get 7 backend keywords using BookBeam, and how do we get category for our book using BookBeam? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is getting the category for our book. Alright, I'm going to show you first of all how to get category for our book using the BookBeam application. Alright, so one of the things you might want to try out is using this category explorer. Alright, so but personally this is not what I use. Okay, I found out that the result from this category explorer is generic. Alright, because let's say for example we are going to be using the travel guide in today's video as our example. Alright, so let's say you're working on the travel guide and you need a category for your Kindle book in the US marketplace. Alright, so they're not giving us options to know which travel guide. Is it Italy travel guide? Is it France travel guide? Is it Europe travel guide? All they're just giving us an option of doing is selecting travel. Okay, that's all the option we can select here. We can't go deep into this travel to know okay subcategories, okay, to know more things we can select on that travel. And then they are telling us top rank, so obviously you want to select if you check this now, it says show only categories that match these filters for bestseller rank of #1 books within a category. Alright, so you want to select books that has bestseller rank less than 10,000. Alright, that's just what this thing is talking about. Bestseller rank less than 10,000. Alright, so then when you click on it, then make sure ghost category is hidden. Alright, then you want to click on find category. Let's see there's a result for that. Alright, so as you can see, it's usually generic. It doesn't go deep into giving us okay subcategories or places where we can place our books that will not get our books blocked on Amazon. So how I prefer doing it is to go to listing optimizer. Alright, this is my own strategy of getting category for my book using BookBeam. I will use listing optimizer. Alright, I'm going to use the listing optimizer. So as you can see, I already analyzed a particular book, okay, Puglia Travel Guide. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Alright, so we want to analyze a new listing, right? Let's analyze a book. So basically what I want to do is to go to Amazon and search for the title of my book on Amazon, Puglia Travel Guide 2025. Okay, well, assuming that's the title of my book, the travel guide. So it depends on the book you're working on. Search out the title on Amazon. Then you want to look for independent publishers like yourself that their books are recent and they are doing very well on Amazon. So I'm going to go through these results. Okay, I will check the BSRs of the books here and then check if they are by independent publishers. So when you check this place, you're going to see that this was not indicated whether it's an independent publisher or not. but from the name here, I can tell you that this is an independent publisher. All right, so this was published in September this year, and it's recent, and it's doing very well currently. 753 BSR. All right, 753,000 BSR. Then we'll keep scrolling down. Let's see this one, independently published in July this year, so it's recent, and the BSR is doing very, very well. All right, you can even see the title, Puglia Travel Guide 2024 to 2025. So I'm going to open this in a new tab by right clicking and choosing open a new tab. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy out the ASIN number of the Kindle, because I want to get, what I want to get is the category for my Kindle, right? Okay, then if you want to get the category for paperback, you select paperback. So first of all, let's get category for our Kindle. So we select Kindle, then we scroll down and copy out the ASIN number for the Kindle. We'll copy out the ASIN number for the Kindle. We'll copy it out. Then we go to the BookBeam application. So we'll paste in the ASIN number here under the Analyze a New Book, and then we'll click on Analyze. So it's going to analyze the book, and then from there we can now see the categories this book was placed in, and then we're going to place our books on the same category. Okay, so if this book is live on Amazon, right, and it's published recently, it means when we place our book on the same category, we can be sure that our book will not be blocked because of categories, because we are using the right category for our book. Do you get the point now? Beautiful. So next thing I'm going to do is click on See More under categories here. I want to click on See More. Okay, so I'll click on See More. It's going to show me the categories where these books are placed on Amazon, so that I can now copy it out. I can now copy them out and then paste them on my notepad. All right, I'll create a notepad and place them there. So this for the Kindle. Now let's try out the same thing for the paperback. All right, let's try the same thing for the paperback and see if we'll get a different result. So I'll scroll down and I will copy out the ASIN number for the paperback. I'll copy out the ASIN number for the paperback, go back to BookBeam, paste it, and then analyze it again. All right, so okay, so this is my strategy. So I'll get the 7 backend for the paperback, and then I'll copy it out and then I'll paste it. Okay, so this is how you get your 7 backend keyword, both for your Kindle, both for your paperback. All right, so it's as easy and as simple as this. I hope you are following. If there's any question you have, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll do well to reply, or make a video that will portray the point. So that's that about categories. That's how I get my categories, because I'm sure my book will not be blocked, because I'm just putting it in the same category where a book that is doing very well is. A book that was published like someone like me. Now let's look at how to get our 7 backend keywords. Okay, let's look at how do we get 7 backend keywords for our Puglia travel guide. All right, so another thing you should not do when you are trying to get 7 backend keyword is to come to reverse keyword tool. Okay, this is not going to help you get 7 backend keywords. So let's say you paste in, let's say you copy out this ASIN number. Where's the ASIN number here? All right, let's say you copy out this ASIN number here. Okay, and you paste it here because you want to use keyword reverse tool to get 7 backend keyword. This method can work, but usually the results are generic. That's the only challenge I have with this result, is generic. Okay, so you can choose to use the method I have on my channel. You can go and watch this video where I talked about new 7 backend keyword strategy to help rank your book. This video is amazing and it's in-depth. Okay, or we can choose to use the BookBeam to do that. So like I said, this method is generic because you are going to see a lot of things that you might not need, and you will not know which of them will give you a good result. So you can go through this method, you can go through it. All right, you can click here and then go through this method. But the way Amazon is blocking book now, if you use what is not related to your book is going to get blocked. So this is the method I'm going to use. I'm going to come to keyword filler. All right, it's a new tool on Amazon. All right, on BookBeam. Keyword filler is a new tool on BookBeam. So we'll click on keyword filler. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly what to do to get 7 backend keywords, just like you're seeing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm going to show you what to do exactly here to get this result that you can now put on your 7 backend and expect a good result. So we want to create a new session. So you're on BookBeam, you have selected keyword filler. All right, so you want BookBeam to give you 7 backend keywords. So you want to create a new session. You can come here, click on create a new session, call it Puglia Travel Guide, and then click on create. So they said insert keywords that you would like to rank for in order of highest to lowest priority. So we'll go to ChatGPT. Of course, we need ChatGPT to help us get those keywords. So we want to get keywords that our book will rank for, basically. So I'm going to give it some prompts. So I told it I am working on a travel guide titled Puglia Travel Guide 2024. Can you help me with keywords that can help rank my book on Amazon KDP? The keywords must be related to my book and it should contain what customers are searching for. Alright. So what I'm going to do next is to copy out some of this. I'll copy out some of these words and then paste them on this place. Alright, so I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy out some of this. Trip planner. I'll copy out tourism guide. Okay, so these are things you copy out and put. You can decide to put more. So when I'm done, I'm going to click on this place and then it's going to give me some keyword that I can use for my 7 backend, right? So I'll click on this. So it gave me 4. All right, so you can put in more. The more you put in, the more it has to produce for you. All right, so you can copy all this and then you can come here and then paste them. You can even break this down. Exploring Puglia, Italy, trip planner, tourism guide. So this is amazing. Best restaurants in Puglia. Let's paste this and see the results. Best restaurants in Puglia. This is repeated. Also best restaurants in Puglia. Sorry, I pasted the same thing. Best restaurant in Puglia. Alright, so let's remove this beaches guide. Okay, so travel tips for first timers. Outdoor adventures. So guys, this is how we get 7 backend keywords. You can put in more keywords here and then repeat this process, and BookBeam is going to give you 7 backend keywords that you can use for your book. Okay, so there's nothing special about this. So just ask ChatGPT to give you keywords that customers will search for relating to your title. All right, it should be related to your title. When people search for your title, your book can show out. Okay, so that's just basically what I do. So basically, this is how I use the BookBeam application to get 7 backend keywords. So you have to make sure that you don't repeat too much words here that are in your title or subtitle. Okay, so make sure the words you are using on your 7 backend are not over repeated. You have to make sure you don't repeat. Keywords in your 7 backend keywords that are already in your title or subtitle. Alright, so that's just it. So when you are selecting the keywords, just make sure you are mindful of that. So with this now, we have come to the end of the video for today, and I'm sure you have gotten value from this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.